more immediately graspable to understand than terminology and function, is that the eyeball is a ball. If there's one predominant light source, the ball is going to be lit from one side, have a highlight, and it's a very shiny, wet ball. We've got the pupil, which is in the middle, and because the lens is a transparent disc which is resting upon the eye, it's actually at this point here, it's letting the light in. The light is actually coming into contact with the iris here. So we have the spectral highlight here where the light is bouncing off, but the light is traveling through that transparent lens. So the light's coming into contact here and is actually touching the iris here. So we'll often have a highlight on the shadow side of the iris if we're thinking of the ball shape, because that's the way the light is traveling through. And when I learned that, I was like, that's amazing. Once you start to notice that, you'll see it everywhere. Now that we've got that comprehensive understanding of the eye, and we can start to think of the way it's working as a three-dimensional structural form, to be like, how do we reduce that? In various contexts, if you're doing like a quick sketch practice or urban sketching or gestural drawing, all of that, although it is all still there, it's going to be simplified and represented in a really brief way. What I'm wishing to convey and give you in this series of tutorials is how do you represent it in different kind of timeframes. That is just a little glimpse of what's in store for you in my course, which is starting on Monday. Register now by following the link in the description, and I would love you to come and join my live stream on Sunday, lesson 0, open to everyone. Come and draw along and start learning about the face and practice some portrait drawing together. And I would love to have you join my course. We've got over 50 people signed up already. It's going to be amazing. I'm really looking forward to spending this time learning together.